Hi out there. It's Monday. It's Monday, and I had to make another run to the dump this morning. Now, over the weekend, I had the check engine light on. Okay, so I figured, okay, I checked it out with my little code reader here. Worked great. Says I got some exhaust valve timing issue. Okay, so. Well, this morning, check engine light is off now. I'm like, oh great. I was going to take it to the dealer and have them check it out since the light was on, but now the light's off, and well, just right now, light's back on again. So, yeah, I just got back from running around town, and I just noticed, hey, check engine light's on again, so let's plug the code reader on back in and see what I got, right? And 24, camshaft position over advanced. Oh, it's hot in here. It's 91 outside, so it's quite warm in here. But that's it. Let me call the dealer, see what they say. Maybe I can take it down right now. Let's see if I can get a loaner first. That's the whole thing. The dealer I bought the truck from is the one I'm going to go to, and he's like halfway to LA. Oh, hey out there, guys. It's later on in the day, and I had to make an appointment to see the dealer, right? Well, the dealer called me right now and says, can you bring it in right now? And we can check it right now. It's going to cost you like $190 for diagnosis. I'm like, huh? She says, but we need to see it right now while the light's on. I go, okay, I agree with that, but why the $190? Oh, because your warranty expired. I don't think it's expired yet. I think it's got like a 3-year, 36,000 bumper to bumper. So, and then there was the issue about getting a loaner. She says, oh well, if you're over 36,000 miles, you're not, you know, it's not included in the warranty coverage. I go, you know what, if it's going to be an issue, I can go to the local dealer right here. I can walk home from there. So I went and checked my mileage. So mileage is only 33,000. So I think we're good. But you know, I got to drive all the way to, yeah, halfway to LA. So let's go see. All right. So right out there, guys. It's Wednesday. I dropped my Colorado off at the dealer Monday for code 14 and code 24. Exhaust valve timing issue all taken care of. I did get a loaner car because I'm still under the 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper coverage. I'm at 33,874, so cool. So I got a little Chevy Trax. Yeah, it's called the Chevy Trax. Just a everyday little car, practical car, you know, kind of cool to be driving around for everyday stuff around town. Good on gas, comfortable, you know, nothing extravagant. Easy to park, you know, easy to drive, one finger, you know. Moved out good on the freeway. When I went to pick this up, I was doing like 75 miles an hour. And whoa, I'm going too fast, right? Barely got my foot on the gas and we're going 75 miles an hour. So that's all taken care of. I didn't have to pay for nothing, although they did try to sell me on a throttle body injection throttle body cleaning. Service girl told me it's $325. I'm like, 325 bucks. I can do that myself, I told her. Yeah. Oh well, you know. So I'm up here at the park because I had to get out of the house. People at the house are driving me nuts. So I was up here at the park yesterday. It was overcast in the morning. It was perfect. It was like being at the beach, you know, when it's overcast. It's warm, it's humid, but it's not hot. A little breeze blowing. It was perfect. Went for a 2-hour hike up the hills, around and back. And then the sun came out on the way back, so I made it just in time. We had the morning overcast, what they call the onshore blow or something like that. Onshore flow. I saw some graffiti up there on the trail that I usually paint. I paint over. I'm gonna go do that right now since I'm here. I have a good excuse to get out of the house. So let me go take care of that real quick. Alright, let's see, did I press play? Okay, I pressed play. So, it's almost 4 o'clock. I took care of my little painting thing. Of course, I got paint on me. But I wanted to say a couple things about warranties. Read your warranty, understand your warranty. Just don't take your truck in and say, fix it. A lot of the small print comes down to defects in workmanship and materials, okay? So I've had comments before, especially on my Tacoma, about taking my truck in for warranty work. And they're telling me, oh, good luck getting a warranty because you got it all modified and lifted, and what do you expect? It's like, hey, if it's under warranty, that's for the dealership to determine. And it all depends on the dealership and how they feel that day, I guess. If you saw some other videos with my Tacoma, I had issues with the front wheel bearings. Took it into the dealer. They couldn't even figure out what was wrong with it. They told me it was the transmission mount. And I go, well, if it's under warranty, hey, put a transmission mount, right? I went to pick it up. I drove it. Same issue. Took it back right away, and the guy's telling me it's those off-road tires, you got mud tires, and gave me all kinds of excuses why I got this little vibration. I figured it out. Last resort, I fixed it myself. I ordered some new hub bearing assemblies, put them on, and we actually took apart the old ones, and they were all dry inside. The old ones had no lubricant. There was no more grease left inside. One of them was kind of all rusty. That's where my noises come in, or my vibration. They weren't loose because they're not the adjustable like the old style cars. They're hub bearing assemblies. They come all pre-made and non-serviceable, right? I fixed that myself, no issue. I took it back again to the dealer, Toyota dealer, Puente Hills, because the bed kept coming loose. And then again, I had to fix that myself too because the dealer wouldn't even look at that issue. I pulled in and I told him about it. He says, oh, you got to take it to whoever put the shell on. I go, what does that have to do with the bed coming loose, right? But at least look at the thing, right? Give me a solution is what I want. I'm not looking for a freebie. I want it fixed either way. It's got to be fixed. Like I just got my truck fixed, no charge. If it's out of warranty, how much is it going to be to fix? That's all I need to know. And then some people are afraid of putting a lift kit because then it's going to affect the warranty. I guess it could. Say like if I had a wheel bearing failure or ball joint, they could probably tell me, you got those big tires. It wasn't designed for those big tires. They might tell you that, but they might say, hey, yeah, this bearings, they were bad or something. That's for them. That's for you to prove, you know. If something, they'll tell you no. If you ask again, and then again, either way, you got to have a fix, so fix it, right? So there's my 2 cents on warranties. Lately I've been getting questions about the wheels. What wheels will fit or work with this lift kit? And like I said, all these lift kits have a specific wheel specifications. they recommend. You don't have to do it that way, but this is what they recommend, right? Get something close, like these are 18.9s with a 5-inch back spacing. Okay, Rough Country recommends 18 minimum and a 5 1/4 inch back spacing. So yeah, I got them to work. They're tight, but they work. I could put a small spacer in there, but you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So I was driving out of here and I was thinking, you know, warranty claims. Okay, let's say, for instance, that I take it in for some kind of steering issue. You know, the steering is some kind of electronic assist power steering. So if I had an issue with it, that might be an issue with the dealer, you know. You know, the dealer could probably bring that up. Hey, with these big tires on there, you're pushing a lot of weight. We're not going to warranty that. These things don't normally fail. Even if it like broke or cracked or, you know, something weird. I'm thinking, well, yeah, they could say, oh, it's them big heavy tires you're pushing around. Just something to think about. You know, they're not giving things away. You gotta have like a legitimate claim. Like I saw a couple of claims about upholstery, the upholstery. The seam splitting on the driver's side, you know, where you get in and out on the seat. That happens a lot. That's happened on about every truck I've owned. And that's basically for just getting in and out. Now, is that covered under warranty? Or is that just wear and tear from your fat ass going in and out? That's a tough one. I don't think a dealer would honor that. They'd probably, no. You could probably push the subject. You could probably take him to court. Yeah, go pay for an attorney. Yeah, to take him to court. It'd be cheaper just to get new seats. But it's the principle of the thing. Yeah, I hear that a lot. Yeah. Well, how much is that principle worth?